Alrighty, so my name is Daniel from Red Hat and from Boston. I'm a CNCF ambassador a long time, and then I'm responsible for new CNCF tech, like a developer experience co-chair, and I'm also Java champion. So today I'm going to really talk about how to supercharge Agentic AI project with the developer experience and more cloud and scaffolding. I know you got already heard about a lot of agentic stuff today. So you probably know Agentic framework is pretty much based on the Python ecosystem. So there are many frameworks, AutoGen, AutoGPT, and Crow AI, or RangChain, RangGraph, and the Pydantic AI. But you know, there are more than 60 million Java developers, and they actually doing a great job every single day, develop new enterprise Java application. So with that, so probably how do they actually overcome AI agentic application development with the Java stuff? So there are many good open source projects, not only like CNCFs, but like Backstage and RangChain4j and Quarkus and a model context protocol. You probably heard about that to create the agentic AI application. So MCP is not only for Java, but also JavaScript and Python ecosystem as well. So with that, I have some code snippet here. So in the top of that, you can see that the plain Java interface with the RangChain4j and Quarkus, which allows you make a AI application. This is a general, like a Gen AI application, but not agentic application. But when you see the bottom of the box code snippet and compilation model, which allow your Gen AI application as agentic AI application. So you can see that, so like a system message is the first message to the AI application. Hey, you are the personal assistant for me, and then all available tools should be utilized without any explicit request. So this one system prompt message let your LLM understand and know what available tools you can use that. And then how to define your MCP server as a tools, you can just put in the configuration just like a MCP Google Maps, MCP like a Brave Search, MCP XYZ. And then LLM understand, oh, I have a bunch of the tool, and then LLM decides autonomously which tool they're gonna use until they find the right tool for your answer. That is a super interesting part here. And then once you're done as a Java developer to develop agentic AI application, and the next problem is, the next challenge is how to scaffold and how to share your agentic AI application with the team better way. So this is how to create a software template based on Backstage. And the Backstage allows you create a software template, not only traditional application, but also like agentic AI application. So for example, I create a software template for agentic AI application, just like an example. And then when you are moving forward to the next step, you can actually specify how to create your agentic AI application. You can select whatever your model, like a GPT-4 or Mini, or like a DeepSeek R1, and whatever you call that. It shouldn't be an external model on OpenAI. I know you cannot access OpenAI platform from Hong Kong or China, but you can still download some model, and then you can run on your own AI platform. That model could be your own trainer model as well. And the next step, you're going to select your MCP server, like a Brave Search or Time, Memory, or Google Maps, or whatever you can use external service, as long as you can access that over internet, like a HTTP or your standard I/O process as well. And then last thing is you can deploy your application using your fantastic CI/CD, like a Tecton and Argo City, whatever you want, and then that application will showcase like agentic AI application. For example, when you see that the right hand up top of the line, you can see that like a chatbot. You can ask, hey, so I want to looking for the fancy restaurant in Hong Kong Island, and they give me the get direction. I want to make a appointment next tomorrow, like at 12 p.m., something like that, as an example. And then my agentic application using that all available that tools from MCP server, and then try to communicate with my LLM, which is like a ChatGPT or some of my on-prem model, and then it will return the answer, the best answer for me that is a Agentic AI application. So the quick summary, Agentic AI application development with Java is super complex and then spend a lot of time. And then specifically working with your team, platform engineer and then application developer for cloud-native scaffolding, which is could be super simplify with the backstage for your internal developer portal. And the last thing, open source project, Quarkus LangChain 4j, and then MCP integration is a way easier for application developer to create the new Agentic AI application. Thank you so much. And I'm going to stay around here. And if you have any question, and feel free to ask that question. Happy to address. Thank you so much.